Yeah, okay. This is John. He's flying his Value Hobby Cessna 182. Getting ready for takeoff against the wind here. Look at that. 4-foot takeoff roll, maybe. Catch the whole flight. Yeah, wind pushing you. Nice and slow. Look at that. Hard to keep that up. You almost want to land at an angle across the runway just about. Settle out. Nice and stable. No rocking on the roll axis at all. It handles the grass pretty good. As long as you don't take the nose gear in. That was actually nice. Yeah. Looks like it's staying steady about 10 miles an hour. Hey, the gusts up and up. Pop it off here. Right off. That's like a 2.5-foot roll there. Direct into the wind. They had scoots on that downwind. It's actually doing really well considering. Very well. I like I'll try something here, even if it's weather vane a little bit. As soon as you get the gear down, she settles down to the ground. And touch and go. You're down to like 110, almost no problem. Let her settle. That's nice. And she glides nicely. You almost have to with this kind of wing. You can very much cut throttle and let her settle. And just give a touch just before touchdown to settle, just straighten her out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Watch your base leg. Good idea.
A little off track.
Yeah, a little fun. Yeah, it's turning back to the crosswind. It's quartering back around. Fine. 50 bit. Yeah, she sure does want to lift that outside wind. That wind is nasty, especially now that it's quartering more. You're almost going to have to kind of lean it. But that ball, of course, that narrows your touchpad quite a bit. There's the only reason John's making his base leg inside like that is because make decisions.
Pushing way up there.
That sure is. Yeah, I mean, it's almost a straight crosswind now. Very much quartered more toward the north. Ready to push the tail. But it's lightened up a little. Well, it's so gusty. It's going to take a few go-arounds to get the hang of where that quartering wind is taking you out. Such a small plane, this kind of very good plane. Very stable at slow speeds. Yeah, the 55 inch, it's pretty good size. Great size for a trainer, I think. Nice job, John. That's beautiful. Very good job. That was sweet. Very nicely done. They wanted to pick that outside wing up again.
Yep.
That's that cross for you. A little vicious for this size of plane.
Yeah, it's a little to handle.
And wants to balloon when you try to slip.
Yep.
Okay, here he comes. Nice. That was... Wind pushed it over. Yeah, exactly. Just springy enough to avoid damage. Yeah. Did before it started to tip, yeah. How you doing on battery? Nice. Let's get a lot of flight time. 2203 cell?
Yep.
What C rating are you running? Instead of 32. What the KV rating is?
Something like
Wow, that's pretty high for a little bitty motor. Look at that. Directly in the wing pool. Just getting it down in the right places, not as easy as that might sound. That looks good. A little more power. Yeah. Good coverage. I'm going to lift that wing around. That's powered up. Gusting a bit, so be careful. Feel it? Put it right at your feet, John.
You like that?
That was nice.
That's got the power from the start.
55-inch wingspan, you think you need more than a 10 size motor, you think it'd be a 15 at least. Very light build. Yeah, the wind is pushing it.
If I had flow pants on there, it would have ripped the wheels right off of it.
Yep.
All right, y'all have a good one.
He's got a lot of energy.
Yep, I hear you. Pretty blue sky.
Yeah, the colors really work well.
tell if you're inverted or not. Pretty small. He flies over here quite often. Yeah, a little more quarter. Yeah. Now it's coming back around. Trying to anyway. Keep shifting on us. Kind of weird, right? Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, we keep doing this for practice. We'll be able to do the pinpoint landing contest. It's like the wind just died on you. All that lift went bye-bye.
Actually,
That should be almost
that would knock it out of its bracket.
Oh, that's great.
The mounting bracket's right there. It didn't break it.
Yeah, it just popped it loose.
It just popped it loose. I just got to take off the cowl.
And,
Oh, it did break it in half.
Oh, it did. Yeah.
But I'll be able to glue that though.
Yep.
I'll be able to glue it. So, yeah.
A little bit of 6-minute epoxy or even some CA. I'd prefer epoxy. It's a little stronger hold on your eyes.
Right.
Especially in plastic to plastic.
Yep. Got twisted it just a little bit.
Pretty easy. Got some great flights on it today considering the gusts.
Yep.
Nice job. Easy repair job too.
Yeah. I don't think too many people be flying, want to fly with this wind is good.
Especially with a 55-inch or smaller plane.
Right. Not bad for a triangle.
Very stable. Very docile, very stable. The throws are about perfect.
Yep.
For what is it, $89.99 or $85, $87? Yeah, can't beat it. Tell you, Hobby's pretty good about stocking parts too.
Yeah,
So.
they are.
Did you get that from value or motion? Really?
Now you had it for $109. For $109.
Yeah, and it's manufactured by FMS or Rock. What is it? FMS's baby brand, Rock Hobby. Yeah.